Hello, today we will discuss about the best YouTube SEO software, Tube Rank Jeet Pro, which is very best for YouTube SEO ranking. Okay, so let's start exploring this software with me. This is the home page of this software. Okay, first you have to write a keyword here. Let me write WA sender software. Okay, now how much videos you want to fetch. Okay, so select from here. Like I want to fetch 25 videos at least. Okay, now click on go button. So there is 25 videos about WA sender software. As you can see here, you can also check video keywords individually. Like I want to check the keywords of this video, so I just click on here, view keywords. Here you can see how much keywords in this video has been used. Okay, let me check this one, view keywords. Here you can see the keywords and hashtags also. Okay, so if you want to select these keywords, so just click on left button of your mouse. Okay, and copy to clipboard or add to group. Okay, so this will be saved on your software and you will use these keywords later. Okay, so this is the option how you can see the best video captions, also the hashtags and tags. Okay, now let's come to the second option. Okay, so how you can analyze this is I have already uploaded my video and I just want to optimize. Okay, how much this video. Okay, so copy the title as same in your video and just add on your title box. Okay, I'm adding my keyword G business extractor software. Okay, this is the main keyword of my video. Okay, now I am adding the URL of my video. Copy my URL and paste. Okay, now I am copy my description. Okay, so I am just copy my description and write it over here. Okay, and I am copying my text from here, add here, and click on analyze it. Video has custom thumbnail, click on analyze it. Okay, here you can see how much your video is optimized. Okay, similarly one by one check your videos and correct your videos if there is needed to add something on it, like correct keyword, like correct tags. If the optimization score is less than 50% or 60%, so do correct it. Okay, for the best. Now the third option is write a URL of that video you want to analyze them. Here I am pasting my URL. Click on go button. Now here you can see the proper description. Here you can see the keywords and tags which I used in my video. Okay, now the fourth option is tag finder, how you can find your tag for your video. Okay, let's consider I want to find a tag on my video, Tube Rank Jeet Pro. Okay, Pro 5, and I am selecting here 20. Click on go button. So here you can see the tag. Okay, so simply copy one by one from here and use it later on your video. Like this, I am copying here, copy to clipboard, or if you want to add to group, so you can add from here. Okay, now let's come to the next option, which is hashtag finder. It is similar to the tag finder. Okay, write a keyword here, like I am writing here Tube Rank Jeet Pro again. Okay, the quantity is same and click on go button. Here you can see how and hashtags this will find me. Okay, so you can just click on here one by one and use it on your video for the best. Now the fifth option is favorite tags. How you can use this option? Just write a group name first. Okay, just suppose I am writing here softwares. Okay, I'm writing here softwares. Click on add button, finder. Come back to the tag finder. Again find tags. Okay, again find tags. Click on go button. Now this will find me a lot of tags. Okay, so how I can save my favorite tags to my favorite tags option? Right click on your mouse, click on add to group and click on softwares. Okay, so now I'm showing you like one more. Okay, and here you can click on softwares. The saved keyword will show here. Okay, so you can easily save your tags if you want to save the tags. Okay, and use it later for on your videos. So this is the easy method. Okay, now let's come to the next option, which is favorite hashtags. This is similar to the favorite tags as well. So now I'm adding here group name like marketing. Okay, click on add button, come back to the hashtag finder. Okay, this will save your favorite hashtags. The hashtags first and saved your favorite hashtags in your favorite hashtags option. Okay, favorite hashtag groups. Okay, so I'm here and I want to find this keyword hashtags. Okay, click on go button again. I'm showing you. Now just click on right button of your mouse and click on marketing. Okay, I'm adding 2 or more hashtags for showing you how this will work. Okay, now let's come to the favorite hashtags. Click on marketing. Here you can see my favorite hashtags. Okay, so by this method you can save your hashtags and tags. Okay, now if you want to add your favorite videos, similar method, click add group. Like I am creating a group name which is video. Click on add button and here you can find your favorite videos. From here fetch your favorite and save it on your favorite videos portion. Okay, so the last thing I want to tell you how you can add your YouTube account. Okay, click on settings button. Here I am already adding my YouTube account. Just I am showing you how you can do it. Click on add button, select YouTube. Okay, this will automatically take you on your YouTube account and send a code on your mobile phone in which your YouTube will log in. Okay, so when you verify your account, your YouTube account is added here. Like this, I am adding my own account. Okay, see here you can select your languages, English, or if you want to add someone else, so you can also add from here, and here you can add your favorite channels also. Okay, from the if you add your favorite channels from YouTube account, so simple method apply on this. Create a group and select your favorite channels, one, add them here. Okay, so this is the overview of this my video. Hope you understand how you can find your hashtags, tags, optimize your videos, and do much more better in your videos. Okay, so use this software for best optimization, for best video ranking on YouTube channels. Okay, and if you have any queries regarding the software, so feel free to ask me. Okay, bye.